Guys, it's me, Risa. How you doing? I hope you're doing really well. I hope you're staying focused on your journey, and thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to ring the bell right away so you get all my recipes by email. And share people with people that are on a journey and that just love delicious recipes, okay? So today I am making, or I made actually, this delicious oatmeal breakfast, brunch, dessert, snack after workout. And I used a package of the Quaker oats, okay? I'll just show you. Here it is, one package, okay? And you just put it in whatever bowl you have, of course, a microwaveable bowl actually. And it's only 3 smart points, okay? It's 100 calories and absolutely no sugar in it, all right? No sugar one. There are ones that you find in the store, but you have to check that it's no sugar. And I have also the strawberries and raspberries. I like to keep frozen ones, the big, huge bags from Costco, from Walmart in my freezer. They last a long time, about a half a cup each, okay? And you just add it to your bowl. And then I boil up water and I just cover it, okay? Just cover the fruit. And then I added some sugar-free raspberry syrup, a little bit of cinnamon sugar that you can buy or make. I usually, after I'd bought it at the low-carb grocery store, then I realized I could make it equal parts cinnamon to whatever sugar substitute that you like, stevia, sucrin, any kind that you like, all right? And just mix it up, put it in a container, and just sprinkle some on. Now, my favorite is adding a little bit of cocoa, some cocoa powder. This is cocoa berry. I wanted to try it out. I bought it at John Vince. It's a bulk store. And I absolutely love it. I added about a teaspoon to it. And you could add, if you think it's not sweet enough, you could add a little bit of, again, your favorite sugar, brown sugar blend, stevia, again, whatever you want if you think you need a little bit more sugar. And then just microwave it for about 2 minutes because I like a nice thick consistency. And it's super delicious. It satisfies your chocolate craving, your fruit craving, and it fills you up with a 3-point meal, only 100 calories for the whole thing. And that's it. So just another idea for breakfast that you can make that's quick. You can, bring these packages. I bring it and I keep this at work as well because all you have to do is boil up some water. And you can add fresh fruit to it, of course, whatever fruit you like, or just eat it like that. All right, so that's my meal, my breakfast, my snack, a dessert after a workout idea. Hope this helps you for your journey too. Continue to share with anybody you know on a weight loss journey or just who loves, delicious meals. And of course, my tips, my podcast to help you out. So don't forget to subscribe and tell everyone. Risa Weiner, YouTube. Love you guys. Bye for now.